In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change gender in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, every single skin available in Fortnite has a LEGO variant. So as you can see, with this Christmas skin, I had my LEGO equivalent when I had selected the LEGO Fortnite lobby. Likewise, if I go back to the default skin and I look here, I'll have this standard one, and then if I switch to LEGO Fortnite, it is going to be displayed in the same way. Now, if you only have default skins, you might be curious if it is possible for you to select a gender, and sadly, you won't be able to. However, you still have the possibility of selecting a specific gendered skin. So for example, I can go over here and I can choose that specific Christmas skin that was given to me. Of course, you can always go into the shop and browse through skins here. You should be able to find a skin that best suits you. But the answer then becomes that you need to acquire a gendered skin that has a specific appearance or outfit that suits you. So you won't be able to explicitly go into the settings or go into your locker and choose the gender in there. And primarily, this applies for people who don't have any skins and they don't want to spend money inside of the game. If you don't want to spend money and you have never acquired one of the free skins that they give out throughout the years, then you won't be able to change it at will. You will simply have to wait until you acquire a gendered skin. And after you do, just go ahead and equip that specific skin. After you equip the specific gendered skin that you want to use, it is going to be reflected between LEGO Fortnite. So this is all you have to do. Go over to your outfit and choose any available gendered skin. Besides this, you will not be able to change a specific gender at will. And this is all you have to do. Immediately upon going to play, you will be able to access LEGO Fortnite and see the skin reflected there. I hope I was able to help you on how to change gender in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.